this. This is the tilt cylinder. Because it is down also, that is the lift cylinder, tilt cylinder. You can come over here. This is the lift cylinder. देखो, the only recognize wherever this orange wire is going, that is the cylinder. See where it is going? Over here, that is cylinder. Here where is going? This one. This is the lift cylinder. Above it is going this one. Here see, this is your shift cylinder. Clear or not clear? Clear. So this is your shift cylinder above. You can see everywhere. This is your lift cylinder, and this is your this is your lift cylinder. This is your tilt cylinder, side wala.
Hydraulic system.
Yes. Yes. This is the sliding tube in which we put grease. Here grease is there.
Grease gun.
Yes. And this is the hydraulic cylinder. That I'll tell you in the class. This is the GFR. That I'll also tell you later on. Gauge face reference. So now you see this is the complete module. When I put in a up position, so it will go in a up position. This is the front part of the machine, right? So these are all the controls. Here the operator sits, right? And here also some people can sit, and here also some people can sit. You can see over here also first aid kit box is over there, right? And over here fire extinguisher is also there. So we have different locations in the fire extinguisher also, in the side also machine, and in the rear cab also, and over here also. So everywhere for the fire system we have provided the safety system, right? Now coming on to the control system, this over here, everyone can hear me now? So this one is called the HMI screen over here, and this is basically a touch screen, right? So this is basically a touch screen, or you can control with the help of mouse and keyboard. It's as per your choice, right? HMI is called as human machine interface. It is the main component of the machine. Why? Because everything is being controlled with the help of this only. For example, hydraulics, water system, right, or dust collection system, everything, or hydrostatic system when you are traveling, everything you have control over here only. You can see there is one camera also at the top, and the camera can be put in up position or a down position, and it totally depends upon you are traveling or you are grinding. Over here, this is the knob. So you so this is the up position and this is the down position, right? So the position of the camera gets changed when we production part. So we have the camera in the bigger traveling one is fixed for grinding. Here single camera we are moving up and down, but in bigger machines we have two different cameras, right? For example, so you can see pull to apply trailer, this is emergency to push, this is what pull to apply. If we pull it, then the brakes will be applied. Everything is written. What is written? Push to engage. If we push this, then what will happen? The brakes will be applied. But this is the emergency brakes. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
So everything is written. This is pull to apply, this is push to engage, right? Then machine reset button. This is very important. This is emergency stop button. I'll tell you in detail what is this. And then machine alarm is there. Alert. This will create sound. Sound will come from this, right? Computer screen on and off. Then horns is there. Lead and tail is there. Forward and reverse. Which direction you want to do the traveling. Everything is written. This is the main brakes. This is the main brakes. Right now it is in apply, or everything is written. That's what I'm saying you. It is applied position. Why? Because increase. If you pull towards me, it will be in a release position, right? And then this is your accelerator, or we call it throttle.
Throttle.
So throttle is there. When we increase like this, the machine will start moving. So we have to release the brakes and put like this, the machine will keep on moving. Clear? And we can change the travel direction also. You want to move in the forward direction, you want to move in the reverse direction. Grinding, these are the grinding controls. Grinding can be done only from this cabin, this is FCC. But with the RCC, that is the reverse, you can do the traveling but not the grinding.
Okay.
Clear? Traveling can be done from both the, from here also and from the last end of the machine also, right? But here only the grinding, here only. This is the safety lift button. When we want, suppose we are going to hit something and we want to put all my carriages in a position, we push this button, all my carriages and my modules will be in a up position to prevent it from hitting.
At the same time.
Yes.
Okay.
So we got three monitors over here. One monitor is this, which is called as HMI. One monitor is this, which is for the grinding and traveling, right? And one monitor is over there, also computer. And this is when we are doing the recording and the grinding part, right? The RailPro software and everything is being installed inside that. That is the advanced topic that I'll be teaching you in the next video, right? That what is meant for it. But you know, okay, this is also, right? So these are some of the controls you can see. Brake cylinder, brake reservoir, everything I'll tell you in detail when I'll talk about the air system. What is this, how do we do the grinding, camera, I've already told you, the lights, started from this point. Whenever you want to start the engine, the battery switch should be on position in the engine, that I'll show you. And then here you can see engine is there, so engine you have to put the idle position and crank the engine will get started. After that, just press it and the engine will start. After that, the circuit breaker is there, and over here it should be in a closed position. You can see the red light, closed position. Closed means the circuit will be closed. What does closed mean? Light will come. If it is in open position, the circuit will break and light will be gone. Clear? You can see over here, the green one, it is showing you the engine parameters. What is the coolant temperature, how long the engine is being running, what is the engine hours, what is the coolant temperature, engine oil temperature, all details about the engine will be there. Yes. And then in the middle one is the tank level, that is the gauge, fuel gauge, that what is the, how much the fuel is there, and that last one is the generator parameters, line 1, line 2, what is the connection, everything. So that is for the generator one. Over here, so
fire suppression system.
If there is any fire, so the fire suppression system is also present. And when you open this panel, don't open right now, but when you open this panel, then you can see the hydrostatic pumps and the engine is also over there. And at this, the computer over here, the CPU and everything is inside this cabinet. ECU, everything is present in this cabinet.